Sony ZV-E10 Sigma 10 to 80 millimeter. So this is the unstabilized footage and 0.5x crop. How good it is. How good is the stabilization right now? Holding the camera from the lens, 10 to 18, standard profile, shutter priority, shutter 125. How good is the stabilization? How good is the color compared to the standard profile on the Nikon Z30? How are the colors? Let me know in the comment section box below. How good is the microphone? Am I peaking? Am I peaking or not? Okay. Let me put the volume to -9. -9 decibel, same as the Nikon Z30. -9 decibel. Let me do a walk. How good it is, let me know in the comment section box below. Sony ZV-10 10 millimeter, Sony Catalyst Browse 0.5x, and we are going inside the restaurant. Before the electronic VR was on, now we are still in standard profile. Now I have turned off the electronic VR. Let's go inside and see how good is the video quality. So now only the OIS only 12 to 28 millimeter. How good is the video quality standard profile? Compare with the ZV-10 standard profile. ZV-10 standard profile. How good it is. So I try to walk slowly. How good it is. Let me know in the comment section box below. And here we go with the same zoom test I'm gonna do, which I did with the ZV-10. 28 millimeter. $12 millimeters. $28. $12. This is the portrait profile, Sigma 10 to 18. How good is everything? Portrait profile. This is the portrait profile, 10 to 18. Portrait profile.